look at the types of fats found in foods. There are three types of fats: saturated fats, unsaturated fats, and trans fats. Let's start our discussion with unsaturated fats. These fats are generally considered healthy fats. They can be broken down into monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. This refers to the number of double bonds found in the fats. Monounsaturated fats have only one double bond found in their chemical structure. Foods high in monounsaturated fats include olive oil, avocados, canola oil, and most nuts like almonds and cashews. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol or LDL cholesterol, support healthy cell function, and may improve blood sugar control. Polyunsaturated fats have two or more double bonds in their chemical structure. You may be able to tell that they are polyunsaturated because they tend to stay liquid at room temperature. This type of fat is found in sunflower, corn, soybean, and flaxseed oils. In addition, they will be found in walnuts, flaxseed, and fish. Unsaturated fats are generally considered healthy fats. Eating fats from this category can reduce cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and help with heart rhythms. Eating this type of fat can be protective to your heart health. Now let's turn our attention to saturated fats. Unlike unsaturated fats, saturated fats have no double bonds between the carbon atoms in their chemical structure. This means the carbon chain is saturated with hydrogen atoms. Because of this, saturated fats tend to be solid at room temperature. Common examples include butter, lard, and fats found in fatty cuts of meat, as well as tropical oils such as coconut and palm oil. Saturated fats serve several functions in the body. Like all fats, they provide 9 calories per gram, supplying energy. They also contribute to protecting organs by providing cushioning and help insulate the body to maintain temperature. Additionally, saturated fats play a role in hormone production and are part of cell membranes, though their impact on cholesterol and heart health differs from unsaturated fats. While the body needs some saturated fat, eating too much can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, which is linked to increased risk of heart disease. That's why nutrition guidelines encourage limiting saturated fat intake and replacing it with healthier fats, such as the unsaturated fats we discussed earlier. Balance and moderation are key when it comes to saturated fats in your diet. Let's finish our fat discussion with trans fats. Trans fats are a type of unsaturated fat, but they are quite different from the healthy unsaturated fats we talked about. Their chemical structure includes a trans double bond, meaning the hydrogen atoms are on opposite sides of the carbon-carbon double bond. This makes the fat molecule straighter and more solid at room temperature, similar to saturated fats. These types of fats are made by taking vegetable oils and heating them up in the presence of hydrogen. This process is artificial and takes a liquid fat and turns it into a solid fat. This process was widely used because it increases shelf life and stability of processed foods, making products like margarine, baked goods, fried snacks, and fast food more convenient and less likely to spoil. Unfortunately, trans fats are linked to serious health risks. Trans fats raise bad LDL cholesterol and lower good HDL cholesterol, which increases the risk for heart disease and stroke. They also promote inflammation and have been associated with higher risks of diabetes and other chronic illnesses. Because of these dangers, many countries have banned or strictly limited trans fats in foods, and health experts strongly recommend avoiding them as much as possible. Now, when looking at a nutrition label, you will know what to look for when comparing the foods you eat and how fat impacts your overall health when making those important decisions.